A very good morning to all the students of class 2nd. Dear student, today we will discuss the 13th chapter of social science, that is parts of plants, from the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter. Dear student, in the beginning of the chapter, you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. Dear student, as the chapter title is itself describing the learning objectives. We will learn about the parts of plants and the functions of their parts. So, let's begin with the chapter parts of plants. Dear student, plants can be found in water, desert, plain and mountains. Plants आपको कहीं भी मिल सकते हैं. But all these plants have common parts. लेकिन ये जो सारे plants होते हैं, इनके कुछ common parts होते हैं. So let's discuss with these one. Dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you. This is a picture of a plant, as you can see in my screen. This is the picture of a plant. The part of plant above the ground is called its shoot. This is very important question. What is shoot of plant? The part of the plant above the ground is called its shoot. This is the shoot which is above the ground, as I am describing it as a arrow. This is the above ground. The shoot has branches, leaves, buds, flower and fruits. These are the shoots. Flowers, buds, branch, leaf and fruit. The part of plant under the ground is called its root. What is root? Which is under the ground is called root of the plant. Each part of the plant has a special job. बच्चों, जो भी प्लांट के पार्ट होते हैं, सबका अपना अपना एक काम होता है. Let's discuss with this. Very first, we will discuss about root. Roots hold the plant firmly into the ground. Roots absorb water and mineral from the soil. So, what is root? Roots are basically under the ground. Roots absorb water and mineral from the soil. बच्चों, जो रूट्स होते हैं वो खनिज पदार्थ और पानी कहाँ से लेते हैं? मिट्टी के अंदर से लेते हैं. वो मिट्टी के अंदर ही ग्रो करते हैं. Some roots like carrot and beetroot store food. We eat them as a vegetable. Basically, carrot and beetroot are the example of roots. As you can see in my screen, this is the picture of carrot and this is the picture of beetroot. The next one is stem. Stem is the main support of the plant above the ground. Stem क्या होता है? तना क्या होता है? किसी भी plant का support system होता है. Some stems like that of mango are thick and strong and woody. They stand themselves. जो मैंगो ट्री होता है उसके स्टेम्स कैसे होते हैं? थिक होते हैं, स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं एंड वुडी होते हैं, और वो खुद से बिना किसी सपोर्ट के सीधे खड़े रहते हैं. Some stems like that of banana are thick and soft but stand on their own support. कुछ स्टेम्स होते हैं जैसे जो बनाना के स्टेम्स होते हैं वो थिक होते हैं, सॉफ्ट होते हैं, लेकिन वो क्या होते हैं, खुद से खड़े होते हैं. उन्हें खड़े होने के लिए किसी भी सपोर्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Some stems like that of money plant are soft and weak. कुछ प्लांट्स होते हैं लाइक मनी प्लांट जिसके स्टेम्स होते हैं, सॉफ्ट होते हैं, लेकिन वो काफी वीक होते हैं. दे नीड सपोर्ट टू स्टैंड. उनको खड़े होने के लिए सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है. सो these are the example of stem. This is the mango stem, this is the banana stem, and this is the money plant stems. So the mango stems are strong, woody, and they stand by themselves. This is the banana stems which are soft and thick, and but they stand on their own support. This is the stem of money plant. They are weak and they need support to stand. Stems carries water and minerals from roots to all other parts of the plant. So, what is the use of stem in the plant? Stem carries water and minerals from the roots to all other parts of the plant. स्टेम का क्या यूज होता है, वो वाटर और मिनरल रूट से, जड़ से लेके सारे प्लांट के पार्ट्स में पहुंचाते हैं. What is the role of stems in the plant? This is very important question. Stems carries water and minerals from roots to all other parts of the plant. The stem carries food prepared by leaves to all other parts of plant. So I am highlighting these things. Number 1, stem carries water and minerals from roots to all other parts of the plant. The second one is the stems carries food prepared by leaves to all other parts of the plant. So basically this is the role of stem in the plant. Stem of some plant like sugarcane and potato store food. We eat them. This is the stem of sugarcane and this is the potato. The next one is leaves. Let's discuss the leaves. Leaves of nearly all plants are green. आपने जैसे देखा है सभी की पत्तियां कैसी होती हैं, ग्रीन होती हैं. Leaves are the food factories of the plant. Leaves क्या होती हैं, प्लांट की food factories होती हैं. This is very important question. Which is the food factory of the plant? So the answer is leaves are the food factories of a plant. I am highlighting it. Leaves are the food factory of the plant. They change water and carbon dioxide into sugar in the presence of sunlight. वो क्या करते हैं, पानी और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को सूरज की प्रेजेंस में शुगर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. प्लांट गिव ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन द प्रोसेस. और इस प्रोसेस में प्लांट क्या देते हैं, ऑक्सीजन देते हैं. और ऑक्सीजन हमारे लिए कैसे, हमारे लिए ऑक्सीजन का क्या यूज है, वी ब्रीथ ऑक्सीजन टू लिव. We breathe oxygen to live. This is very important question. What we need for the breathe? So answer is we breathe oxygen to live. What we need for live? We need oxygen to live because we breathe oxygen. This is the picture of leaves. This is the pictorial part of leaves. The next one is fruit and flowers, which is again very important part of plant. Grown-up plant bear buds. This is the pictorial part of buds. Buds change into flowers. Basically, buds किसे कहते हैं? जो आधे खिले हुए फूल होते हैं. Buds change into flowers. Flower is the most beautiful and soft part of the plant. सबसे सुंदर और सबसे soft part plant का क्या होता है? Flower होता है. Flowers change into fruits. Flower किस में change होता है? फल में change होता है. Most fruits have seeds inside them. बहुत सारे fruit ऐसे होते हैं जिनके अंदर उनके बीज भी होते हैं. Seeds can again grow into similar new plant. तो जो वो बीज होते हैं वो फिर से इसी प्लांट को जन्म देते हैं. यही प्लांट पैदा करते हैं. So this is all about the flowers and fruits. So dear student, in the last, let's have a relook. Let's revise the chapter 13 parts of the body. This is a quick revision of the chapter. This is the pictorial part of the plant. The part of plant which is above the ground is called shoot. I am highlighting it. The shoot has branches, leaf, buds, flower and fruit. The part of the plant which is under the ground is called root. Each part of the plant has a special job to do. So let's discuss with this one. Very first, let's discuss root. Root hold the plant into the ground. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. Some roots like carrot and beetroot store food. We eat them as a vegetable. Basically, carrot and beetroot are example of roots. The second one is stem. Stem is the main support of the plant which is above the ground. Some stems like mango are thick, strong and woody. Some stems like banana are thick and soft, but they stand with their own support. But some stems like money plant are soft and weak. They need support for the stand. Stems carries water and mineral from root to all other parts of the plant. The stems carries food prepared by leaves to all other parts of the plant. This is the role of stems. Stems का क्या role है? वो water और minerals को root से collect करके पूरे plant में ले जाता है. The stem carries food prepared by leaves to all other parts of the plant. जो पत्तियां food prepare करती हैं, stem क्या करता है? उसे बाकी सारे parts में, बाकी सारे plant के parts में पहुंचाता है. Stem of some plants like sugarcane and potato store food. We eat them. The next one is leaves. Leaves of nearly all plants are green. सभी plants की पत्तियां mostly green होती हैं. Leaves are the food factories of the plant. They change water and carbon dioxide into sugar in the presence of sunlight. क्या करते हैं? Sunlight की presence में वो water और carbon dioxide को sugar में convert करते हैं. Plant give us oxygen in this process. Who gives us oxygen? Plant gives us oxygen. This is very important. Who gives us oxygen? So, plant gives us oxygen. We breathe oxygen to live. What we need for live? We need oxygen to live. So, the last one is flower and fruits. Grown up plant bear buds. Buds change into flower. Flower is the most beautiful and soft part of the plant. Flower change into fruit. Most of the fruit have seed inside them. बहुत से फल ऐसे होते हैं जिसके अंदर उसके बीज होते हैं और वो बीज फिर से वही नया पौधा बनाते हैं. So this is all about the chapter 13, which is parts of the plant. So dear student, in our next lecture, we will discuss the 14th chapter of the social science. Thank you.